Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a function, presentFormula, that prints the formula given the tokens on the left hand side and right hand side and the sign. Today we will learn how to create a canonical form of our formula to start with. Let me show you what that is. Let's take a look at analysis.json. The formula is b plus f times x is larger than t. Please note that I didn't pronounce the space here and here. As a matter of fact, I can put as many spaces everywhere in the formula and mathematically there will be no difference. So I will define the canonical form of this formula, the formula that has no spaces. So to create the canonical formula, I will just have to remove the spaces from the formula. And I will do that using the replace function in Python. Let's do it. So I will say canonical formula, it's equal formula dot, and I will say replace, and I have to say what to replace, which is all occurrences of the space string with this string. This string it's empty, it has nothing. Now when I will parse the formula, instead of parsing the formula, I will parse the canonical formula. Now I will save it. And let's run the first test. Okay, everything is good. And now let's just add some spaces here and there to see if I still have the same canonical formula in the step 0. So let's save this one and run. Okay, so what we have, this is the formula from the analysis.json, and here is the same canonical formula that we had. So now, starting with step 0, we have a consistent format of each token, and we can move forward to solve the problem. So we learned how to use replace method to create a canonical form of our formula. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.